to ML Public School, Mangarua, Sarnath, Varanasi. First of all, I heartily welcome to my school. Heartily welcome from school side and from my side. So let's start the inspection. This is the main entrance of our school. You can see the main gate. We have two main gates here. First one is this. Second one is the other side of the boundary wall. Along with this main gate, we have a small gate for the students to make a line and to enter. You can see from here. And this gate is attached with the guard room. And this boundary wall. And this way we can cover the boundary wall as well. The second gate of the school. So come to this is our boundary wall of the front side. This road is the road attached with the school. This is the second road. Main road is actually on other side. We are covering the front boundary wall of the school with sufficient height and strength. This is the another end of the school, and this is the second gate of our school to enter the student. From here we can have a view of the school inside building. So let's come back to the main entrance. In case of emergency, we use this gate. Now, this is the entrance gate of our school, and we are using this pedestrian gate to enter in the school. For safety point of view, we have a guard room to check in. If the visitors, if the outsiders are coming, the guard is having an inquiry. And as soon as we enter in the school, due to this COVID-19, we have the safety feature of thermal gun along with the sanitizer. This way we use the thermal gun to read the temperature. If temperature is okay, then we have the sanitizer. Thank you. And this is the visitor register. You can see here. If someone is coming, suppose guardian or anybody else, we used to write the name, address along with mobile number and timing of coming in the school and going out. So this is the this is the register. We can see here. Date wise we are maintaining this register. Right? The school campus entire, have a view of the school campus. This is the L-shaped building. We can see from here. We have two wings. One is there, second one is this. We have divided the school into two parts so that to maintain the distance between. This is the playground of the school, which is attached with the outer boundary wall of the school. And we would like to go inside the ground to see the situation and condition of the ground. Greenery part of our school. This is the essential, as we know that the green portion, the greenery is very important for our life. So we are maintaining the greenery in the school as much as possible. You can see this kind of things. We are using the flower pots also. We are covering, and we are just telling the students that per year you have to plant one tree for betterment of the greenery. And this is the essential part of our life, that we have to plant wherever we get the space. So this way we are maintaining the greenery to inspire the students, and the students are very much paying attention in this. By Shramdan, one of the activity of the CBSE, we are maintaining the greenery and the other things of the school. Playground. This is our school playground for senior students. You can see here the situation of the ground. It is full of dirt, totally safe on point of view of game. There is no even a particle of concrete in the ground so that any damage can be done for the students. The condition of the playground is well and good. It is fully dirty, not concrete. This is our badminton playground. This is the court of badminton. Along with this badminton court, we have another court of volleyball for senior students who used to play this game for fitness. And you know, fitness is the essential part of a student's life, so we have to maintain the gaming portion of the school. That's why we are having the court of badminton, volleyball, along with one more court that is of kabaddi. This is the playground, and this boundary wall covered this playground. And we have the another playground. This is the court of kabaddi. It is very good game, pure Indian game for fitness, and this is now it is a crazy game for us. Guideline, we know that the game is the part of the school, so we have to maintain the playground along with PTI as well, so that the students will aware about the fitness. You know, fitness is very necessary. If you will be healthy, then you will be sincere and wise in study. So keeping this fact in the mind, we are maintaining the playground. We have sufficient number of PTIs to train them, and without any teacher, without any PTI, no students are allowed to come inside the ground for any kind of damage. Until unless a teacher is not there, no one will enter in this ground to play with this fact. Now this is the complete view of our outer boundary wall of the school. This school is fully safe, covered by the boundary wall from all the sides. We can have this view of this boundary wall. This is the complete view of the boundary wall along with the building of the school. It is covered by four sides. Let's move towards the kids play area. Now this is our kids play area. We used to come one by one classes along with the teachers, PTIs. They used to come with the small kids to play, to entertain them. This is the essential part of CBSE school, so we can say that this is mandatory for the school to play the kids, to engage them. Another area of the school, which is almost square shape, fully greenery, to just to have the activity of Shramdan by the students as the part of CBSE. We used to call the students, and they are doing some activity related to agriculture, related to how to maintain the greenery for our life. This is essential and the students are very much aware about it, and they are taking interest and doing this job. This entire area is totally maintained by the students. This school is situated almost 15 kilometer away from the center of the city. We are in remote area. This is the outskirts of the city. So we have the students related to village area also. So they themselves are very much aware about these, and they are, when they are doing these things in the school, so they are inspiring the others how to maintain this kind of greenery and all. This is our parking area where we used to stand the two-wheelers, four-wheelers of the staff as well. This area is only used for parking, and this is just attached with the outer boundary wall nearby the both gates of the school, so that people will keep their bikes here on the main gate. They will not bring their bike inside the school premises. We have the views of the boundary wall and the playground for kids and for the senior students, and the greenery portion of the school we have already covered. Now we are entering in our first block of the building. This is our first building. Inside the building we have office along with labs, infirmary. We can have a look one by one. First we would like to see the office. So this is the main entrance of the office. When any visitor will come from that gate, after entering his name or her name, he directly come to this office for inquiry about admission, about other things. We always keep this fact in mind that no visitor will go from here to any class. We resolve his problem here in this office. So let's enter in the office. Inside view of the office along with visitors chair, and this section is covered. The office work is going on here. This is principal room we have, along with manager's room. This is the inside view of principal room. To keep the record of the school, we have this safe. The dustbin is here. We have two dustbin, one for wet, one for dry, so that we can decompose, we can use them for fertilizing. We have seats for visitors also, if they want to communicate with principal, if they want to talk, they want to share something with principal, they are supposed to welcome. We have the manager room along with this. Manager room in which we can come and discuss with manager also for any school affair. This is the screen, as the school is well equipped by CCTV camera. This is the control area of the camera. We have the screen in this manager room to see the situation of the class. I have also access in my mobile to see the situation of Wi-Fi, and this school is fully equipped by Wi-Fi, so that I can see the things, the activity in the school in my mobile phone. Again, now we are moving towards the building area, towards the classroom of the school. First we start this fee counter. Just attached with the office, outside of the office, This is the fee counter. For safety point of view, this counter is just attached with the office, and we have the computerized system of fee receipt and to maintain the record. Fighting tool. In case of any emergency, we use this fire extinguisher, and our staff, clerk staff, teaching staff, and we have also trained some students for this emergency. And if in case of any emergency, anyone can use this to stop the fire. Now moving towards the inside, which is open from one side, fully open, just to maintain the ventilation and the sun rays. And this open area always helps to avoid the suffocation during the summer. Especially students feels very comfortable during the summer just because of this open one side. Chemistry lab, which is at the appropriate area.
पानी खोल के भी दिखाइएगा, आ रहा होगा, आ रहा है ना? बंद अभी नहीं, अभी फिर से बोलिए, फिर हम ठीक.
We have in running condition, and what the things are dangerous for the students, we are keeping the things very sincerely under the governance of the well-trained people. That is the lab assistants. Until unless teacher is not here, until unless that trained person is not in the lab, we are not allowing the students to come inside the lab. Lab, we have also CCTV camera just to watch the activity of the students from the office. And this wall is fully covered by charts, different charts related to chemical reaction, related to chemistry, related to elements which are helpful for the students. We have this board also. If the teacher wants to explain something in the lab, so that the teacher can use it to explain, and the students will then do the practical. This is the two exit and entrance of the lab. We have two doors. One is used for coming and second is used for outgoing. At every entrance and exit we have CCTV camera to capture the activity of the students. Now moving towards the another lab. This is our bio lab for senior students. It is ready to use. Is here also. It is fully equipped by the various instruments which is useful in practical. This microscope. We have also the water point here, water supply. And the other related things to the subject is here displayed. As it is biology lab, so we have lot of things related to organs of our body, as well as the skeleton here, that is the end, the basic thing of our body, with the chart. And this lab is also equipped by CCTV camera from both entrance, and the same way we have two doors of this lab, one for entrance and second for exit. You know, sometimes during the practical we are having some need to tell the students in the group. So for that we are having this board, we are using this board for that purpose. And then after they will continue their work. So now moving towards the another lab, we are using the exit door. Again we are coming exit door of biolab. Again we are coming in the lobby area. For students, we have two kinds of operators in this physics lab. One is related to light, second is related to electricity. This optical bench you can see. And the other equipments related to the subject physics we have. This room is also covered by under the surveillance of CCTV, and the two entrance and exit as the same it was in physics in bio lab and chemistry lab. Whenever the students are coming in the lab, they will definitely use the operators. For that, we are keeping the record of the operators, as well as we have the register to maintain the number of operators which we will issue to the students for practical. So we are maintaining operators. The same way the board is here for any explanation if the need arises. And this is the register of this lab, in which we are keeping the records of the operators, that how much operators we have inside, and whatever the instrument the student is using, we will write the name and all, and this is the register to maintain the stock of the operators. So this lab is also, we are having the charts on the wall, just to inform the students about some rules. We have the Ohm's law chart, Archimedes principle, the lever functions, simple machine functions, the power. Through the chart we are explaining the students that what is scientifically we are doing, we are not aware about that. But with the help of this picture and chart, we can explain the students that what is actually work, what is actually power, what is actually motion and all. So with the help of chart, it is very easy to explain them. Then after they are using these operators, let's move to another area. Composite lab of the school. Looking inside, we can see the different instruments for the composite lab. The students used to come along with the teachers, and with the help of teacher, they do the activity of the lab. The teachers are the responsible person who explains about this equipments and how to use them, how to work out with them with safety, as safety is very important for the students. And keeping this fact in mind, we always advise the teachers to come along with the students, don't send them alone. This is the another lab, it's a maths lab, and maths is also some practical works to enhance the awareness of the students. It's a phobia that math is the toughest subject among the students from the beginning. Especially we can see this phobia in the girls. So we use this kind of equipments, mathematical equipment, just to make it easy. These instruments are very much helpful for the students to make mathematics easy. And we are using this maths lab off and on along with teachers, and when the students are able to see these things which are printed in the book and they are having this equipments in their hands, so they are looking very much excited and they are taking interest in this subject. This lab is also fully covered with safety along with the charts on the wall. These charts are the information, giving the information of the great mathematician of India and abroad. So there is a message also printed. You can see this is the Euclid, the great mathematician, and the time of the Euclid is given here. So this lab is also covered. It is under the surveillance of CCTV, and this chart is giving the messages of, like this one is the Aryabhat. Can I have a focus please? Aryabhat belongs to India, and Indian mathematician, he is a great, no doubt. So whenever the students are reading these messages of the great mathematician, so they are looking very much inspired this time. So how you can imagine that the people in ancient time were great mathematicians like these. So if they were great at that time, so we are having this lot of facility to learn with the help of these tools. So we can also do some good things in maths. But this is the very important thing. This is very important area, the infirmary area. For any kind of emergency, any kind of medical treatment for boys and girls, we have this particular section. We have first aid box with some medicines inside it, along with a bed to have a rest and a seat to sit. And this is the important thing in the school, that suppose some students, any boy or any girl is suffering by any kind of problem, immediately he or she should bring here to have a rest. So it is the computer lab of the school. You know, the computer education has become the essential part of our life. Without educated in computer, we are totally useless looking like. And this is the system we have displayed here for the students, and we try to provide separate system for each and every student so that they can aware with this computer education. Under the guidance of technical expert of this IT section, we have the teachers and some other assistants of the lab. They are doing the job of training to the students. This is the computers, and this room is also covered under the CCTV surveillance along with some board, so that we have something to explain. We can use this, and the students are supposed to take their separate seat and sit with one student, each student having one system to work, and they are doing this under the guidance of the computer teacher. The same situation is there. We are having the two doors here, one for entrance, second for exit, for the safety of the students, to avoid the crowd and to maintain the distance between the two as the COVID period is on. So we are keeping this fact in mind that this is the COVID time, that we are maintaining the distance. So two doors are useful in that case. This is the look of our first floor. The same corridor is here, first floor. Every point we are having hanging the firefighting system, that is fire extinguisher, in case of any emergency. The room especially for indoor games, as outdoor games are important, so as well the indoors are also. So we are having this indoor games, students group wise come inside this along with the instructor and used to play this game. Another activity room, that is called music room, as music is also important in our life and the students are very much inspired by the music. The Indian culture is having the part of this music, so we have the instrument and we have also the music teacher to train the students how to play these. This is the Indian equipments to play music. We are at our ground floor. These are the empty rooms. This is the COVID period. We don't have the students for junior section. This is the classroom. The size is the standard of this room. And this, for the safety purpose, we have two CCTV cameras inside the room at two gates. Again, we are having the same two gates, one for entrance and second for exit. Towards the next one. Before entering in the next class, again I will tell you that this is again the fire extinguisher for safety purpose. Entering in the second room, we can see the same situation is also here. The room is CCTV cameras, fully ventilated room with windows. This is our another classroom. The same situation is here, fully we are having two stairs for safety purpose. So this one is one of them. We are going to cover the stairs using by the students to go upside. The second one is using for going downwards. Class 10. Side view of the class, fully ventilated, fully lighted, without electricity. You can see that the sufficient sunlight is coming inside along with the fresh air. This is the complete view of the school from first floor. You can see the outer boundary walls along with the outside scene of the school, and just attached with the outer boundary of the school we have separate toilets, and the building is in L shape. We are covering the view of the building from the first floor corridor. This is the outer view. This is the lobby of first floor. Top aerial view of the school. We are on the roof covering the outer boundary wall along with main gate, parking area, field, second gate of the school.